A new visit arrives to the fantasy world. I wonder who it could be.
What a beautiful day.
Hi, Katie. What are you doing?
Hi, Pinchy. I'm going on vacation to Fantasy World.
Yes, Kitty. I suppose she'll leave her little house.
Could you take care of it, please? Look, I'll show you all you need to know. Katie is coming to vacation on Fantasy Mountain.
Yay, Jazzy. I'm really excited.
But it's not a fantasy baby.
And what's the problem, Bruni?
You don't know our customs, Dreamy.
So we will show it to her.
Up here is the bathroom with a dresser, a mirror, and a shower.
This is a huge bathroom.
There's a bath, but it's better to have a shower to save water.
Is there also a lift?
Yes, there is. And there are stoves, a fridge, and a dining room in the kitchen.
Wow, it's everything we need.
Wow, what a beautiful house, Katie.
You have such good taste. I love it.
Pinchy is going to take care of it. You can help her.
Of course. Don't worry, Katie. We will take care of your house. I'm so excited.
She must have so much to tell us. What can the Valley babies do? They don't have magic powers, do they?
They don't, but Katie is really good at nature. Each baby from the valley is an expert at one thing.
Give her a chance, Bruni. Okay. Katie is already here. I got here so fast. This is how magic doorways work. You can go wherever in seconds. This place is incredible. I'm coming back. You'll see how cool the fountain is.
The magic tier fountain is vital for our fantasy world. We have to take care of it because if it stops, our world will disappear.
Yes, water is the key of the fantasy mountain, just like the rest of the world, you know?
Besides, if we do not use our powers, our world will stop too.
Wow! And what are your powers? Well, I have the power of I can transform any object into a pretzel. Yum!
I can transform objects into ice cream.
I can!
There are so many things to show you.
Hey, why do you keep interrupting me? Come, Katie. We will show you everything. Hey, they've gone without me. Oh! There's the spyglass tower. We get to watch everybody from up there. Hey, where is Bruni?
She might have stayed back in the big tree. We had meant to eat ice creams and marshmallows.
Oh, yes. I love multi-flavored ice creams. And what's Bruni's favorite? Sugar clouds. Yay, ice creams! What a curious ice cream. I use it to combine it with pretzels.
I prefer to combine it with more ice cream.
It looks tasty. They have a sweet tooth. Look, Katie, they have a spyglass. I can see my house from here.
The fastest car in the valley and the coolest. Woohoo! Oh no! Fancy, the house has been flooded.
Boom! Boom!
Do I have to fix this alone? Super Pinchy to the rescue to fix this disaster! Here I go! Whoa! In the nick of time!
I'm sad to leave, but I have to go home. It's super urgent. What happened in here?
Nothing. Everything is perfect.
And why are you covered in foam?
You caught me. The house was flooded because I wanted to take a bath.
But did you fix it yourself?
Yeah, that's right. I was brave and I fixed it.
I'm sorry for not helping you, Pinchy.
Don't worry.
Why don't we throw a party?
Party!
Boom! Boom! Bruni, what's wrong with you? We didn't leave her alone, Kearney. We just thought she was gonna come with us.
Yes, Brew. Bruni is our friend, and we will be with her.
But hey, you forgot about me. We will never forget about you. Look.
If we weren't your friends, would we have brought this marshmallow ice cream?
That's my favorite flavor. Thanks for thinking about me. Fantasy Magic Tears! Look, there are hearts.
And ice cream.
The big tree has given us fruit. for fixing the problem.
And it's a delicious reward.
But nothing tastes better than a good friendship.
Have you tasted it with ice cream?
Yes, friendship tastes even better with ice cream.
There's so much snow on the hill, and Crystal doesn't know how to say some words. Will she learn them?
La 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 la. I love the winter, Lily. And you don't like the summer? I like it too, but in the winter, there's snow. I don't know, Coney. Ouch!
It escaped!
Coney, can you hear that? Igloo. In blue. Eeyo, 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 eeyo. Eeyo.
Exactly, cutie. Now you, Crystal. Igloo.
Igloo.
That's it. Igloo in Spanish is igloo.
It sounds the same. Hi, what's happening here?
I'm teaching Crystal some words related to winter.
I love winter. Winter in Spanish is invierno. Invierno.
Great, Connie. Now you can help me with the class.
Wow! How much snow!
And how do you say snow in Spanish? Niet. No! It's nieve.
Nieve. Nieve.
Such great students I've got.
Look, here they come. Bunny and Bitchy. Hi, how you doing? We're giving a Spanish class. You're so brave. It's so cold for that. You're right. So cold. I'm gonna put on my gloves. Guantes. What are you saying, Bunny?
Guantes means gloves, Crystal.
Guantes.
Great!
Brrr.
We gotta go. It's so cold.
Yes, goodbye, and warm up. How do you say scarf in Spanish?
Oh, this one is hard. Scarf is bufanda.
Bufanda. Bufanda. Would you like to continue the class in my igloo house?
Oh, we would love that. But Lily and I have to go now.
You're leaving? Oh.
Calm down, Crystal. I'll stay with you. You'll see what a funny afternoon is. We're gonna spend it in your igloo. Whoa! I love your igloo.
It's great. I have a salon, TV, books, a lookout.
Try my cookies, Crystal. Cookies in Spanish is galletas.
Galletas. How tasty are your galletas?
Today we learned a lot, right?
Yes. I don't know if I will remember everything.
Well, we got a solution. If you review the lesson with a song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Spanish is learned this way. To know how to speak it well, try it again and again and again.
Winter is invierno. Glow is guante. Igloo is igloo.
What else do you know? Igloo is igloo. What more do you know?
It's more fun like that. Much more. I like today's lesson. And now we can go out to play in the nieve. Come on. We go out and play in the snow. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!
La 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 la. You're having a great time.
Riding on the snowboard is so much fun! Look at my snowman!
Hi, Mr. Muñeco de Nieve.
How clever! Because muñeco de nieve means snowman.
I also learned a lot of things with Loretta.
Oh, did you get a cold?
Oh, Crystal, are you getting cold?
Achoo! I don't want to be cold. I am so cold. I think I got a fever.
The best remedy against the cold is the hot.
Warming me up?
Yes, and with warm milk to keep you warm outside and inside.
It's tasty, and I feel so much better now. Good, and you're a bit better. Thank you, Lily. I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. Thank you for taking care of me.
We know.
It's a wonderful day, but a storm is coming from afar, and a baby is lost. Can you help us find her?
What a wonderful day, isn't it?
Oh, yes, Koali. I won't move from here for nothing in the world.
Yes, drinking the bottle while sunbathing. It's fantastic. Yes, cutie, the sun really is wonderful. Do you know that the sun is a star? You can only see stars at nighttime.
But this star is only seen at daytime. Wendy told me. She also told me that it's an old star because it formed over 4,000 million years ago.
Wow, I didn't even know I could count until 4,000 million.
It's impossible. You will need at least all of your life to count until 4,000 millions.
Good morning.
Good morning, Leela. Hi, lady. Where are you going?
We're going to the next neighborhood. Yes, Tuka and Nellie will let you know the plan. See you this afternoon. What a mystery. What will happen this afternoon?
Good morning.
Lady says that you have something to tell us.
Yes, this afternoon we're going to do a party in the next neighborhood. And each one of you are invited.
So cool!
I started the barbecue, and we can make grilled vegetables. I also have a jacuzzi.
Wow, that's fun! I'm gonna pick some flowers from the woods, and I'm gonna get them right now.
Great! See you this afternoon. We're all alone. No, here comes Patty. What a wonderful day, right?
Yes,
I was gonna ask if you wanted to take a ride in my caravan.
No, cutie, a caravan, which is...
I don't know, a house with wheels.
Exactly.
Would you like to take a ride?
Let's see what I can see here. Oh, Lulu! What are you doing here in the woods? I'm picking up flowers. Here is where they're the most beautiful. What are you saying? That it's not gonna rain? Oh! I'm scared!
Your caravan has 4 wheels, like my skates.
But you can't sleep in your skates!
That's for sure. I love this bed. The bed in this room is super soft.
And you don't even see the slide.
I love this kitchen. This caravan has everything. Bedroom, slide, jacuzzi, kitchen. It's like a house that has wheels. Wow! I want to live here. There's a storm.
Let's see. What a cool caravan, Koali.
Thanks, Bonnie. Oh no! A storm is coming.
What happened?
Lucy hasn't returned yet. I'm sure she got scared. She should be lost. We need to go find her.
I'll go with you.
We're going going in a caravan at full speed. By path or by road, our house has wheels.
We're going in a caravan at full speed.
First things first,
Lucy needs to be rescued.
we have a lost friend that we need to find. We have a lost friend that we need to find.
We're lost, Lulu. Who wants to come in my caravan? You have come to rescue us in Koala's caravan. I was so scared.
And we were so worried.
Oh, thank you for looking after me. That's what real friends are for. Magic cheers! Wow! It has bubbles!
This caravan has everything. Yes, house, car, and jacuzzi, all in one. What a wonderful day, right?
Fantastic! How wonderful!
What a beautiful decoration you've created with your flowers, Lucy.
Thank you. Can we join the party too?
Sure, but how did you find us?
A little tiny bug told us.
Lulu, was that really you?
Oh, you can't imagine how much it rained in the woods and how comfortable it is to be dry and warm.
Can I try the jacuzzi? Yoo-hoo!
Oh, I'm wet again.
Under the sun, you'll see how fast you dry, Lucy. Oh, yes, it's good to be here.